she ain't down me, she just wanna have sex, bro. Me and my homegirl, we down to do condoms and pop text. Check this out, man. Yeah, me and my homegirl suddenly Mark's Mirage. Shit, I'ma speak on that shit, my girl named Sabotage. Man, we fucking these niggas up and they coming through winking their eyes and that look, we going off the hook with this shit, bitch. And I know that you wish you could, yeah. Partner, knock on wood, yeah, we gon' do this shit right here and try to maintain. Fucking these bitch ass niggas up through scandalous chain game and blood strain, bro. Fuck these motherfucking marks about their money, the kilos and pounds of weed. Man, fuck this motherfucking keys and G's. Chopping motherfucking shit up at the body shop, dropping they body off in the wheels and fuck that shit liming and hot, man. Fuck that shit, motherfucking got no questions for the motherfucking police. Motherfucking got the motherfucking answers for the motherfucking jacket in the streets, man. Fuck that motherfucking shit, bro. I ain't even much trying to hear it, bitch, and ain't gon' never in my life fear my homegirl down. Fuck nigga, lick they balls and shit. But bitch, when I come through the AK, I'm gonna drop it on your chest, trick. Yeah, it ain't like there ain't nothing ever for free, bitch. We killing motherfuckers with elbows and keys and by the 2s and 3s, kidnapping motherfuckers. Ain't no maybe. Nigga, fuck you and your baby. We taking this motherfucking shit and fuck that ass. Free pussy and dick, bitch. Fuck that shit in. Ain't no motherfucking squares. Ain't no motherfucking jump shit, bitch. We coming to shit, me and Sabotage. Cracking y'all hoes hit. Yeah, and that's for real, bro. And that's just how it is, man. On this scandalous shit, bro. Bro, what I mean, baby, take this out. I ain't got long. I'm gonna meet this female. She running this crack house. What you gonna make?